Guys, welcome to Reneke Estate, and welcome to probably one of the most overgrown properties you've seen on YouTube. So this, I can't even tell you how long it's been. Some of the trees have, or bushes that's growing here, have been growing for the past 50 years. Much longer than that. Some of the split poles rotten to pieces, and that takes many years. So this is a big job. We've set ourselves 1 week. Don't think that's enough time, but we're gonna really do our best to get there. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a few bits and pieces and how big it is. We're estimating about 200 square meters, however many feet. Put it here on the screen, and let me show you around. So from there where the Marshy is walking, this whole bush goes all the way across to that side. So it's about 20 meters we measured it. So, and then from there, probably a little bit more than 20 meters, it was past halfway the property. And then, yeah, runs all the way from, you can see this line, and then all the way to the back there. See the grey fence over there. Right. And then on the inside, let me show you guys the inside. And then on the inside, yeah, it is a whole different story. I'm going to try to get as good as I can, just to give it a small taste of what lays ahead. So there's a lot of fruit trees. This is actually an orange tree. Got some oranges on already. And then this is a fig tree over here. And then this is some grapevines. You can see it over here. And I'm not sure, in South Africa we call it glippertjies. Not the best grapes, but grapes nonetheless. And then, yeah, you see all the oranges that's fallen off and rotting. Holding all this mess up is a trellis, but it is like destroyed. This is treated wood that has not lasted. Well, maybe it's done its job, I don't know, but it's been here forever. All of this needs to calm down. What a job that's going to be. Then one of the other things, there's a lot of junk here. This junk has been here since we purchased the property. From our understanding, there was no fence, so criminals in the area used to basically do the robbing and come hide in these particular bushes, because these bushes were unsecured. They weren't covered up or anything. And so they used to use this area as a hideout, and when you use the area as a hideout, there's all sorts of weird things going on here. And yeah, so this also, we need to clear all this out. We haven't done it because we wanted to show you guys when we do it. I want to show you the good, the bad and the ugly. We are, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So yeah, I think we've talked enough. Let's do some time lapses, get some time lapses going, and yeah, I'm going to try to push these videos out as soon as possible. Maybe a couple of weeks, because this is going to be a long time lapse. Anyway guys, enough talking. Let's do this. Yes! the nice thing about clearing an old bush like this, you get these little discoveries. Huh? So here is a piece of cement. We don't know exactly what it was. We've never seen it. Putting this away, we realize it seems to be a small retaining wall by the looks of it. So I think it would be really nice if we can actually clear it out to the retaining wall. That would be so nice, especially if the property is like layered. So I've never seen this before. I did not know this was here, which is actually really, really nice. You can see the people back in the day really looked after this property. Unfortunately, what happened. It's fine. We're going to get it again. So yeah, I think we'll show you guys the discoveries as we go along, the weird things. Let's carry on. Yeah, you can see I'm just trying to take out roots. It's literally one long string of roots, probably about, I don't know, 6 meters. And it is insane how overgrown it is. The nice thing is the soil is very soft, so it's quite easy to remove. It wasn't a mission, and we got it out quite nicely, I think. It's going to help us in the long run not to have stuff grow up. But yeah, so guys, thank you. This is day 1. Tomorrow obviously will be day 2 and so forth. We'll see. And then, yeah, oh, before I forget, you can all see the wall there. I'll make a mark, show you guys. But anyways, guys, like always, see you around. Cheers.